Another thing that just recently was passed, and it needs to be circulated out there, is there is a new increase to the FHA loan limits. And the FHA Loan Guarantee Program has implemented some changes to their maximum loan amount calculations. So I will provide a link on this video just letting all people know that the higher FHA loan amounts in certain areas of the United States are going to help the consumer who is debating in terms of trying to take advantage of these lower interest rates. Now again, an FHA to FHA refi is called a streamlined refi. So if you currently own an FHA loan, that's good news. There are some people who have conventional loans that want to switch over to FHA loans. It's still possible, but you need a little equity. So contact your mortgage banker or FHA approved lender in your area to get more information about this. I will also provide a link on where you can look up the area, your county and your state, and what the FHA maximum loan amounts are. So the FHA program is a good program. It has its pros and cons. There is mortgage insurance on an FHA loan. It's called MIP, Mortgage Insurance Premium. It is calculated into the loan amount on single-family homes and a monthly payment. It is part of the guarantee program, but the interest rates are lower. And it is a good program, especially if you're sitting in a FHA loan right now. Get in touch with your local mortgage banker for a FHA to FHA refi. If you have a conventional loan, you want to switch over to an FHA loan, contact your mortgage banker to see what the calculation, the qualifications are. Thanks.